This is the control panel to the Octagon 200CL. It's very similar to the Octagon 200 control panel, however it has important additional features. It has 2 interval functions, 1 second on, 1 second off, 10 seconds on, 2 seconds off. The timer is set in seconds and minutes and counts down like the Octagon 200. The amplitude control, however, is different. This amplitude is measured and controlled in millimeters, so it can be set in increments of 0.1 millimeters up to a maximum of 3 millimeters. And irrespective of the voltage, the number of sieves, or the weight of the sample, the amplitude will always remain at the level that you set. Switch on. The timing is counting down. The amplitude is reading 1 millimeter. And like the Octagon 200, it will give an audible signal when the sieving is finished.